Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to come at you with a simple tutorial here. I am taking this red polish from Born Pretty, I'm taking the black from Bundle Monster, and then we are going to mix it together and we are going to create some blood splatter. Now, I completely forgot to add the cleanser or alcohol or acetone, whatever you want to use, until the very end, and I'm spraying this all over my nails, my fingers, everything. But forgetting that made it so much harder, so make sure you add your essentially liquid to make it better. So I take a toothbrush, dab it in, and then I just peel it back. Also wear a glove. Put some liquid latex on, do something that is smart to protect yourself, okay? Because this gets everywhere, and I mean everywhere. So that's all I'm doing, and then I top coat with matte. So I just thought this would be kind of a fun, quick one to add into the 13 days of Halloween. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.